For this demonstration, I will be using this teardrop shaped cat's eye bead. I will need one length of 0.8mm dead soft copper wire. This piece is 18 inches or 46 centimeters. Using round nose pliers, make a loop in the middle of the wire and twist. Thread the bead onto one of the wire halves. With the other half, make a series of small bends and bring it down to meet the first half where it exits the bottom of the bead. Use a thin weaving wire to weave the wires together. I am using 0.2mm, but you can use a slightly thicker wire if you find it more comfortable. I am weaving twice around the top wire and bringing the wire up between the two. I then wrap twice around the bottom wire and bringing the wire back up between the two, and then repeat this pattern. The weave is like a double figure of 8 pattern. Bend the wires upwards onto the front of the pendant and continue the weave. I am bending one wire into a small loop to create a leaf. Continue the weave a little further before repeating with the other wire. Continue the weave a little further and trim the excess wire. I am now twisting the wires together to create a wire rose. Bend the wires around each other, using your thumb to help keep the rose flat. At regular intervals, lift the leading wire, allowing the trailing wire to pass underneath and become the leading wire. When the rose is big enough, bring both wires to the top and twist them together to create a separation from the first rose, and then make a second rose. I am bending one of the wires around the bail at the top. The other wire is cut short and the end is tucked under the top rose. With the remaining wire, I am making a small spiral. Curl the end with round nose pliers and trim off the very end. Continue the loop and then switch to flat nose pliers to finish the spiral. Thank you for watching. Please join me for my next video.